Hello, everyone. Good morning. Happy Monday. Right. Okay. Let's see who's in, and we can start from there. Good morning, Chandramani. Hope you had a nice weekend. Hello, Iliada. Okay. Let's start everything and just wait for maybe a few more seconds for everyone to join. Hi, Steve. Good morning. Good morning. Right. Okay. All the sets. Right. Okay. Let's. 1 second. All right. Okay. Right. Okay. We already had a brief this morning, and I'm looking at the same price, but I'll go through my analysis again in case somebody missed this morning. So, going to daily, we are very. Let's start from weekly, basically. Right. Okay. So I'm still looking at higher prices into this week to all-time high and then beyond. So this is the weekly fair value gap that we tapped into, sweep all the sell side liquidity last week, and then start moving to the upside. So target is, of course, all-time high. That's what we're looking at. Today, I'm looking to invert this fair value gap, this bearish fair value gap here that I'll be watching. So, gonna be interesting week. We have FOMC this week as well, I guess. Yeah, I think on Wednesday we got FOMC. So this is daily going to 6 hours. We already inverted this fair value gap. Of course, daily looks like we're going to invert it. Let's say, but till it's confirmed, we can't really say anything. So I'm watching this new week opening gap. This week's maybe tap into this new week opening gap and these 4-hour fair value gaps. So I need some sort of retracement into this. Let's get rid of this. We know the level. So from here till here, I want the price to tap into this somewhere. That's I'll be watching today. So and then that's the game plan. Price gonna come back here somewhere, these fair value gaps, and then from here I'm looking to this buy side liquidity and this all-time high. That's the game plan for this week. 1 hour, we have this fair value gap. It'll be nice to tap into this fair value gap, so I'll be watching this one here. Okay, that comes inside, I think, a 50% of this whole move from the Asia as well. That's exactly in the OTE of this whole move. So it'll be interesting. The price come down to this 4 hour, 1 hour, this 90 minutes as well. So this 90 minutes, all this multi-time frame fair value gaps here. So clear this some sort of imbalance, sort out, and then price start going up. So longs today going to be very risky, to be honest with you, because we already moved about 700 points since Friday. Yeah, it's about 650 points. And then Friday's rose about 1,000 points. That is nearly what 3% move, 2.5%, 3% move. So 15 minutes, what we have in 15 minutes, exactly the same plan. This massive fair value gap, maybe, and that's 15 minutes, 1 hour, 90 minutes, 4 hour, all these multi-time frame fair value gap. It'll be nice. So I'm gonna get rid of the big one. So I'm gonna focus only on this one now. So this is what I'm looking for. So maybe price open, sweep all these highs, London high and all that, and then we get some sort of ILM to the downside. Then I'll be looking to this fair value gap. And from this fair value gap, I'll be looking for a long. If we get the buyers over here, if buyers fail to defend the price at this level, then I'll be looking at new week opening gap, fill this opening gap, and then we're looking for a higher prices, but that's too far. let's focus on step by step what's near to us. Going to intraday levels. So, right, okay, that's. Yes, we have. Yes, this is the plan basically. It's going to be nice if we get some London high sweep, ILM, and look into this fair value gap over here. So this is what I'm looking for. Or maybe price at the open don't go up and start dumping to the downside and come down to this fair value gap somewhere. Then I'll be looking how the price reacts. And then looking for a higher prices. So it's gonna be a little patient game today. Maybe this week gonna be a little choppy as well. Let me confirm. Hello, bro. How are you? You okay? Happy Monday. Let me confirm. We have. Yeah, I did look at the calendar before, and I'm sure we have FOMC. Yes, we have FOMC on Wednesday. So FOMC week, you know how FOMC weeks are. FOMC weeks tend to chop around, the price. But overall, we had a good news about the war, about SpaceX IP on Friday and all that. So let's see. Other than that, we have no news. Monday, Tuesday, we have no news. Wednesday, yes, FOMC. Thursday, not much. On Friday, not the only FOMC we have this week. So that's going to be important news. We have 5 minutes before we open. Do you have any questions? You can drop in the chat and then I'll be happy to answer it. And let me sort out my accounts. Let me open that. How's the weekend, guys? Everyone had a nice weekend? Nice rest? We swapped London high already. Yes, that's pre-market. Yes, we swapped it, but after the open, it's different. So normally, this is London high. I mean, I don't know where we're looking at. This is London high, and then we still haven't swapped it. We're gonna sweep it now, maybe. Yeah, pre-market, but still, if we swap, then still I'll wait for open, and after that I'll take a trades from there. If I get something clean, only then I'll take a trade. Otherwise, I'm happy to wait till the setup shows. Okay. Okay. Right. Any questions, guys? We have 4 minutes, 3.5 minutes. I'm happy to answer. Quite a move in Asia, Recently we get a lot of moves in Asia, and London is just. I didn't trade anything today. This is not something that I'm looking for, this sort of price action. Yes, there was a trade over here somewhere. You have a trade over here, and then after that, price just keeps stalling up and down, up and down, and up and down, So if I'm not sure any of you took a trade, any trades in London for any of you? Iliada, did you take any trade? Maria, Iliada? Where is Poe? I haven't seen him this morning. He must be busy somewhere. If we pre-market, if we sweep here and then price start going down, then something I don't like entering a trade before the market. We actually wait and see how the price reacts. So. Took gold long this morning. Okay, gold. Yeah, I didn't look at the gold. No trades for Iliada. Okay, same here. I didn't take any trades Iliada. Between London Open and New York Open, which session do you find BPRs are more respected and why? Do you think it's an institutional behavior difference or purely a liquidity profile difference? London Open and New York Open, what BPRs? BPR where most liquidity lies, the volume basically. What I do is I draw a volume profile and where is the most volume traded between the BPRs. That's are the important BPRs for me. So would you class the 4 FVG from Friday with the opening gap today as a BPR? I took one long. Okay, that's good. So basically what you're saying, Steve, is the opening gap, this opening gap in 4 hour. No, I wouldn't consider it as a BPR. The reason is this is a BPR. Yes, you can consider this as a BPR, but not the opening gap. This is, yes, I will consider this as a BPR. But this opening gap doesn't fall in between any of the fair value gaps over here. So I'll still consider it as a new week opening gap, and this is a BPR. That's clearly a BPR. All right, guys, so I'm gonna focus on chart now. We have 10 seconds to go, but keep dropping your questions, and then whenever look, I'm happy to answer them. Drop your bias as well today. I mean, what are you thinking? Drop it. Are you looking for longs? You're looking for shorts? What sort of trades you are looking at? What we have in 2 minutes. Looks like a bullish opening, no bullish opening, but very mixed opening. Okay, so this is a 5-minute owner block here. 2 minute. Second. Price is about 70 points. Right. I'll wait. I'll give a time price play for a bit. What I'm looking is if we engulf all this bullish price action, invert this order block that is responsible to take all this sweep. I mean, invert these fair value gaps over here, close below, then I'll be maybe looking for a short to at least for this fair value gap, London lows, part one lows, 2-day open. I mean, all this liquidity. But I need to wait because it's nothing clear where the price want to go, and I don't want to jump in after 700 point move into a long as well. There won't be enough risk to reward for me. Here's the thing, the more the patient you develop, more you wait for the setups to come to you, better the trading will be for you in the long run. I mean, we're leaving fair value gap, back to back fair value gap, yeah, but price really want to go up? I'm not sure. Maybe the price want to target over here. If price keep going up, and if price start running, then I'll be patient. Then maybe I don't have anything for today. But let's wait. I'll give us a few more minutes. Anybody is in the trade? Bias today for you is a big drop and reverse to the upside. Yeah, upside, I agree. Big drop, I'm not sure about big drop, but because market looks very bullish to me, very strong price to the upside. Yeah, but I'm looking for the 90-minute, that's 4-hour fair value gap. Tap into that, and then I'm looking for a higher prices from there. No trade for PM as yet. Okay. Yeah. I mean, I haven't got my setup since morning. I was watching, and then price was just doing nothing. I mean, of my interest. So I just sat down on side, just watching and price. I mean, I don't have to catch a trade every day, is it? And not in every session. So see, that's the thing, because price pushed up, but do we see any energy in the price going still continuing? I mean, it's look like it's all market is a little bit tired and need a bit of, it's already been running all Asia and London. So looks like price need to tap into all this area somewhere, and then from there maybe just target again from this buy side liquidity and all-time high. So if we enter here, let me calculate the risk. That is 105 points, 103 actually. This is a nice reaction of this fair value gap over here. Maybe price is so strong, there is no retrace, some sort of retrace or anything. Price straightaway goes to this level. So I used the 2-minute order block entry for the first time. It worked, but not much of a move. Are you talking about in the London session? Did you take a 2-minute order block entry in London session? Looks like a long to me, but I won't enter, to be honest. If I miss it, I miss it. That's a discipline for myself. Nice reaction. We got CAISD over here. Price move to going it up. Maybe somebody won. You can just take that sort of a trade entry, and then obviously put a stop loss. Sorry, stop loss over here. Your entry here. But I'm sitting out. I'm not going to take this trade and then just target 2 hour. I'm not taking this trade. Yeah, quarter 2. Okay, because of Monday accumulation shift. Yeah, Mondays are a bit tricky. Monday is the thing. Monday creates the range. That's why highs and lows for the week, bias for the week. Well, actually, it's just plan everything for the week. What's price want to do. So you always should little patience about your levels and everything on Monday. I'm slowly getting it. The other, yeah, okay, good. Yeah, it's order block if you learn it nicely. I mean, Paul user, Iliada user, they're doing really good on order blocks, and it's good. Yeah, I was a little busy, but I didn't take anything in London, so I think Singh took a really nice entry somewhere here, and he had a nice banger this morning. I think from here somewhere. He had a nice trade this morning, and he just run all this bit. That was quite early, actually, or from here somewhere, I think. See, you got this initial push, and everybody's thinking, "Oh, the price gonna go just run to the upside," and then what happening is no energy at all in this price. It's been 10 minutes since the market opened. We got this initial push, and then that's price is stalling now. So always wait for first 10, 15 minutes and see what actually market is doing, because maybe just all this is the manipulations, and then price just want to tap into these levels somewhere, you know. So first 30-second, we're leaving some fair value gap here. We inverted this 2 minutes. Now I won't wait for this because this is going to be too much. If this fair value gap is inverted and we close below here somewhere, below London high, below this, and I will be happy to take a shot. We're leaving this fair value gap here. No BPO. It's a game of patience. So, yo, hi Hachem, how are you, bro? Good morning. No trade, guys. I'm gonna wait. I'm good, bro. You still away or you come back, bro? Still traveling? Looks like a long. It's a nice long looking. Market will show you a hand. You just need to patient 90 points since we open. A patient here. Are you back? Good man. What you think, bro? What you looking at? Higher prices. Market looks very bullish, isn't it? I'm looking for longs, but not from here. I don't know. I'm just a bit skeptical about, the prices from here. I just want to come back to any of these fair value gaps. Only then I'll be looking for long. Bro, I'm not looking for a long from this level. I need to a bit of retracements. Only then I'll look for long. Yeah, it's a nice reaction of 1 minute fair value gap back and back, you know, it's nice. So that's what I'm saying. If we invert, but what happens every time? You got reaction one, okay, fail, came back again, second, but do we see any sort of aggression in the price to the upside? So this is bit, I mean, after what, 700-800 points, I need some sort of retracement before I enter longs, you know. This is a nice BPR, and then maybe this 50% this fair value gap over here, this one. Well, 15 minutes price doing nothing. It just one, there's no, I mean, clear where the price want to go up or down. So it's always better to wait rather than jump into an early trade and then you regret it later on. You are trading into 5-minute FVG, could just run away now. Yeah, maybe, yes, yeah, maybe. I don't know, but I'll wait. I mean, this is the fair value gap, yes, yeah, maybe run, but I'm not comfortable in long from here. If your setups tells you it's a long, of course you can take it, guys, you know, so I'll wait patiently. I won't enter. This is the next target, maybe, so that is about 150 points, probably. Price gonna go over there. If go over there, that's fine. I let the price go and see what the price does over there, and then from there maybe some sort of IR, and then from there I'll look for longs. This is a strong power candle. There was a trade when I told you guys here, you can just, when first reaction of this, obviously you can keep the stop loss. Sorry, no, here, that was the entry. So here again, I'll set out, that was the entry here. And just aim for a 2 hour. You in a trade, HM? Anybody in the trade? Anybody in the long? Okay, you long this candle, 3 minis combined past. Okay, that's good. That's good, man. Congrats. Yeah, I mean, from here, when the price started, it was a long. I wasn't comfortable, you know, with this. Anybody else took the trade? Anybody else longed it? Long from 34.17. That's good. Good stuff. 34 once. 34.17. All right. Okay. From Asia low. Okay. From you early. From here. All the way. Yeah. Okay. That's good. I mean, your entry is nice, you know, so you can just sit down. Are you out as well? So you just waited for a one. That was a quick scalp. Yeah, look like I missed the trade, but it's okay. I'm happy to say. Yeah, it was a long from here. Clear signs. Yes, I got stuck with my bias that I need to see some sort of, sweep of all these, and then I'll looking for a long. So it is what it is. My price is different. Yeah, okay. Oh, you're still holding. That's good. That's good. Look like I missed the trade today. But happy for you guys. You guys took it at least. I'm not gonna FOMO in now. I've run many accounts FOMO into the trades. No, no, no anymore. I think so. The price gonna come over here. Let's look a nice 90 minutes candle, strong candle. How about some more 100 points to the upside? And I'll be surprised if we hit a all-time high today itself. Imagine how many points from here. Oh, it's not many. It's only 300 points. Yeah, I easily can do. Who else except HM and Bro? Who else is in the trade? No, I'm not still holding, bro. I chicken out. I want to hold it, but most of my targets were hit. So, I just, why I don't want to risk that much, what I mean? So I've just cashed it. And, this weekend as well, I don't want to keep like a lot of geopolitical stuff and all that. So I just want to, I'll look for another entry and looking to swing goals, not like an intraday trades. So yeah, it is, but yeah, I mean, I can hold it for Moon, sure, but I think it was enough for me. So I called it and set on the side and just wait for another entry, and that I can hold for a few weeks, couple of weeks, and a swing entry. But yeah, I just don't want to jump straight away in the next trade. So what accounts combines did you put 150k or 50k is one? Going for 150k this time, right? I mean, on mine I had a third payout that. So probably in the next one I'm gonna blow them blow them away, and then I'm planning to buy 150k this time, not the 50k, because it's very less to play with. And when the market obviously 31,000, 30,000, 1% move is 300 points, 600, 700 points every day move. You don't have much of room for a stop loss. So I'm thinking 150k. But you don't want 150Ks. Why? Any particular reason? I mean, I think, 2 grand on 50Ks is very less to play with when the market moves 1,000 points a single day. So that's why I'm thinking getting 150Ks this time. I've been trading all 50Ks so far, but just trying to change it 150K this time. Let's see how it goes. And plus, they have like they changed 2 grand payout on 50Ks now, isn't it, max? And then on 150Ks, you can go up to 6 grand on each account, each payout. And especially exactly you trading minis, man, it's very stressful. I don't know how you manage 2K drawdown on minis when you trade 2, 3 minis. It's just like on 2 minis, that's only 50 points. That's 2 grand. All right, guys, I don't have any trade today. Sorry for that. I missed this entry and I just don't want to FOMO in, but I'm really happy for all of you who took this trade. So I will be patient. So, and I'm very close to it's, I don't know, maybe it was before, but no, these days a lot. I'm very close to my payouts on Apex 20 accounts. So I just don't want to fuck up, no. And of course, I want a clean trade, not like this. It was a clean, of course, after that, and then we got close about that. There was a nice clean trade over here. That's when I told you guys, if you want to long, I won't long it. So that was a clean trade. So I'll better to wait, better wait. Yeah. Okay. That's the thing. You 50% consistency on these. You can do the first day nicely, and the second time you need to do another 15. Saying sorry, 15K. I'm saying 1,500. That the second craze is bit carefully. I mean, the first one I just play it big, and then the second one I have to take to do on a rest of the 1,500. Then I'm a little careful. On the way up, we are not leaving any fair value gaps. No fair value gaps at all to the upside. We have only this fair value gap over here. Let's see what happens when the price comes back here. I got rid of this so people won't get confused. I got 2 accounts, 150K on Friday. I already done about 3K on them. So yes, that's what I'm looking for. Yeah, Iliada short. Yeah, I mean that's the price I was watching. There's no fair value gaps, no to the but still, till it's not confirmed, then. And on the downside, we're not leaving any fair value gaps either, are we? No, no fair value gaps. Okay. Okay, let's wait. Yeah, okay, I'll wait with you guys for another 10 minutes, and if something, then of course we trade. If nothing, then we call it a day. I mean, 2 minutes bearish FVG. Yeah, I think it's lying in the same place. This one. Oh yeah, this one, the one on the top you're watching. Okay, we're leaving 2 minutes, and then in a 1 minute we're leaving another fair value gap. We inverted already this one. Okay. Yeah, I wouldn't mind taking this short, but I need a closer below this here. If price close below this fair value gap, invert this one, CISD, then probably I'll take a shot. Probably 2-day open or London. This one. What are the risks? Yeah, 2.28, 2.5. That's the trade I'll be interested into. We go inversion here. Mm. 16 seconds, we're inverting this 5-minute fair value gap as well. So rather than waiting for that, what I'm going to do is, okay, 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay. All right, guys, I'm going short over here. I open a short. All right. Second. There we go. And my stop loss on last swing highs over here. So this is my entry now here. We got 2 minutes closer. We're leaving a fair value gap. Yes, everything looks okay to me. This should play out. Okay, I'm in this short now. Anybody enter short? Or you took the profit stop at BE? Yeah, that's good, man. You know, of course, with 3 minis, man, you can't retrace the whole gains, you know. Let's see if we leave any fair value gap on 5 minutes over here. So that's going to be turned into a BPR. Okay. You can get a confirmation of this order block to when you are more confident into this trade. So if we start inverting these ones over here, and then yes, I'm looking for, so far looking nice. So how many risks we have? It's all right, 90 point stop, not bad. Okay, you done for the day. That's good, man. Congrats for passing some new fresh accounts. This is the trade I am in, and probably if I get stop out, then probably this is the only one trade I take today. I won't take any more trades if I get stopped out. I save my shorts for the rest of the week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You know, they're going to be nice. I think a PE going to be. Mondays are there, you know, not a great PE, but yeah, I'll keep my shorts for the other days. We had this fair value gap. We inverted this fair value gap, so this is the thing. Okay. Don't do this, Nas. Come on, reject from here and just dump straight to at least to 730. Looks like Nas is listening to me. Anybody in the short or just me? Okay. It's a nice rejection over here. I mean, this, let's see. I need this candle to close below her over here, and then I think going to be very slow price action in the New York today. We won't get a volatile. I mean, very. So since we open here. That's about what, 120, 130 points up and down. So it will be nice if the price reject from here, come and close back below this candle, and then I'll be more confident in this trade. Yes, this is going to play out. I won't be micromanaging it. It is so probably I'm gonna take some partials over here and then probably 2-day open in London. So these are the only two targets. I won't be taking any partials in between. So TP1 here in this area somewhere, because it's very possible the price come over here and then reverse from here, and then when I take a partial, then I move my stop loss to break even, probably over here maybe about this, and then look for these lower prices. Okay, guys, just making 4 hour week. Yeah, 100%. I agree. This looked like a short to me. I mean, yeah, 100%. I'm in the trade anyway, so I'll be interested to come down to these fair value gaps, London Law, this fair value gap. That's a nice target to get. You in Iliada, or you still waiting to enter the trade? You still think higher because of the fair value gap? Yeah, it could be. Could be. It's a nice rejection. Let's see if we close below here. Okay, guys, if you guys have no questions, then probably I'm gonna call it a day. I'm in the short form rejection of two. Okay, that's good. I'm in the same trade as well. So I'm in the short. You guys can see my trade, and I'll be stop out, or I already told my targets TP1 and TP2. I won't be looking for very big targets for the short because it's against the bias. So overall, as I said, I'll be looking for longs anyways. So this is just a quick scalp. If you don't have any questions, please type in, ask me before I leave. And if not, then, I call it a day. I'll wait for another minute if any questions. Otherwise, thank you so much for coming to the stream. I really appreciate all of you, and I'll see you on Thursday. Yeah, this Thursday I'm doing a stream, and HM is doing on Friday. We swap the days because I have a flight on Friday. Thank you as well, bro. Thank you so much. I mean, it's gonna be very slow day today. I don't know why I have a feeling it's gonna be very slow cooking day. I mean, slowly cooking. So a little patience. So see y'all. Thank you everyone. Thank you, Liada. Thank you, HM, and I'll see you on Thursday. Thank you. Bye.